always said nostalgia is the gift of cheesy people. I don't believe that past was always better, the best tomorrow, always. Otherwise, a few days ago, I found myself thinking about pumpkin spice latte. Since the moment that I knew that it was already on the shops, I couldn't stop thinking about getting one. It was difficult to understand why such an obsession came to my mind. And then I thought that maybe I was trying to be back to those moments when I was on my city, to those routines based on seasons and habits. Sometimes you need to be nostalgic and meld your past with your present on a very good try to feeling home in a new city. Living slow and with no preconceptions.